What's up guys, it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a day in my life, but the whole vlog is going to be on the GoPro HERO9 Black. Just received it. In fact, I'm one of the very few from India to receive the kit, the VIP kit, and this is what it looks like. This is the GoPro HERO9 Black. This is what it looks like. This is the front facing LCD. This is where you can see your face. Let me just put it on for you. This is the power on button where your battery is, your battery and your memory card. This is also where you charge your camera. I personally don't want to get into the technical specifications because there's a ton of videos who can do that much better than me. I am no tech expert. But I'm going to tell you how I use my GoPro, how I use my GoPro to take pictures, to take videos, the settings, everything about it, and all the secrets that I've been hiding all my life. There are no secrets. I'll be showing you how to take those kick-ass pictures that you see on my feed. I will also be showing you how to use the GoPro perspective to take your shots in the best way possible. First things first, GoPro 9 Black comes with an LCD screen in front of the camera so you can see yourself speaking. This was my biggest problem because I'm so used to looking at myself while vlogging. Hi! Hello! Question that everybody's been asking me is, Larissa, will you start vlogging using the GoPro HERO9 Black? Maybe. I'm so used to a really big screen on top of the camera to look at myself. Also, I'm really concerned about the light and the audio. Right now, I'm indoors and this is what the screen looks like and recording on 2.7K 60 frames and on wide. Fan is on as well. You know what that means. Extra sound. Oh my god, look at my hair. Dogs are naked all the time. And nobody says anything about that. Bells on! Well, you might be a little confused, but what I'm doing here is playing around with some ceramics. I've been doing that for quite a long time and I absolutely love it. So I'm quickly going to talk about the mounts that I use for my GoPro. I personally love the 3-way mount. It's like a 3-fold, but at the moment I'm using the GoPro shorter tripod version of the 3-way, and it's this small and it opens up to this much, and it's really cool because if you want to shoot something and if you want to put the GoPro on a table or something, you can always use the tripod and you can shoot yourself. The other mount that I usually use is the bite mount. This one's perfect when you need a POV shot and you can just put it in your mouth. As the name suggests, bite, you bite the mount like this and then you fix the GoPro on it. The 3-way mount is quite big, so it's quite bulky when you want to put it in your bag or something. This one's pretty small, it folds up to this much. So I'm quickly screwing the shorty and that's it. This is the range you get with the shorty. With the 3-way stand, you get a bigger shit. We are in a supermarket at the moment. May I? Yeah! Oh wow, I got my own basket. So we're just back from the supermarket and it's time to make some noodles. It's been long that I ate noodles. I feel like eating noodles today. It's been like months and months, maybe a year since I had like packaged noodles. Maggi to be precise. Okay, so it's been like half a day. It's 2:30 p.m. My camera was 100% charged when I started this morning. That was around 8:30, and we're still at I think 35% battery, which is pretty good. And like they said, the battery life is supposed to be 30 times more. As much as I've used the GoPro, I know battery is always a problem and it can be quite irritating because you have to keep changing the batteries. But this one's going pretty well. If you want an adventurous camera, if you want an action-filled camera, especially if your day is action-filled and you need to get into the waters, and if you're that kind of a person who needs versatility, then the GoPro is for you. Because I think the battery problem could be with any other camera. The question with the GoPro would be, will I be shooting in 4K and 5K, since they've introduced 5K with their new sensor, that's the 23.6 MP sensor. That simply means that you can shoot 5K videos. Don't think I would be shooting 5K videos unless and until it's like for a project. But for my videos, I think I usually used to shoot in 1080p, but right now currently I'm shooting on 2.7K, so that's kind of an upgrade even for quality. But I think a usual vlogger doesn't need like 4K. Once you shoot in 4K, you need to know if your computer specifics can handle a 4K video to edit, and that's a lot. It takes too much from my laptop at least, so I never shoot anything in 4K at least. It's been long. Delicious maida. Come, Kazu. Let's go. Kazu, you wanna play? Do you wanna play? Look who's here. You know, all's well until it's nicely lit up and it's daytime. But what happens to the GoPro when it's dark? Here I have the light mod. This is an attachment that you can buy externally from GoPro itself, and this one's a super cool thing, especially if you're into vlogging and you want a separate and external light. This works incredibly well. So this is what it looks like in the night with a light source. When it comes to a light source in front of your face, this is what it looks like. The closer you are to the light, the clearer it gets. Everyone, it's the next day and we're here at the beach, and this is going to be my end to the vlog. We're going to have a little run. We're here at a natural spring and Prasad is going to show us how to jump.
Batteries also die. From top.
I can't jump.
You can, come on.
I'm a city girl. I've not done this before.
Okay, alright, jump.
3, 2.
Now, come on. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Your legs are in the middle.
Video kadon lahta. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
This spring is around 10 feet deep and it feels really good to do this because in the city you can't. So I'm quickly going to show you how I take my pictures on the GoPro. This is how you change your mode on the side. This is the time-lapse mode, this is the video mode, and this is the photo mode. I don't use the photo mode. In fact, I use the time-lapse mode. Now you go to time-lapse and you have a ton of options. You have time warp, you have oh god, time lapse, you have night lapse. So I usually do the time lapse 0.5s. 0.5s stands for 0.5 seconds. So when you choose this, oh my god, I can't see the camera, just hold on. Okay, so when you choose the time lapse 0.5 seconds mode, you're clicking a photo every 0.5 seconds. So that's how you see all my candid photos. And you can change this to even some other interval, like this is 0.5 seconds. You can change it to whatever you want, 2 seconds, 5, 10, but why would you do that? The whole point is to get a photo as candid as possible in like half a second. And this is what it looks like when I take a picture. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments below. Tell me which feature was your favorite, which part of the day was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.